Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of The Concept Guy, and thank you so much for 1000+ subscribers. It is a great feeling for me, and I thank you all for your love and support. So let's now see some of the channel analytics, and also let's discuss about what are the future topics that I will cover. And also, because now we have the community tab enabled, we can actually have a poll on what topics you prefer to come first. Also, you are free to send your suggestions, and also many of you have already sent a lot of uh, uh, help in the help requirement in flow sheets and all the stuff. They You have contacted me through mail and via LinkedIn, so I just tried my best to help you out, guys. And now let's just see some of the analytics. Then also in this video, I will actually enable the face cam, so it's kind of a face reveal video too. And so just stick to till the end, and let's see what all we have in the future for us. So we have finally reached 1000+ subscribers, which is a great thing for our channel, because at least our community is growing, and that's a really good thing. Thank you for all of your support. So for the last 28 days, the views have been around 7.3k, and the watch time in hours has been 303.4. So that's pretty good results that we have. Also, we have posted 70 videos, and that's a great achievement. Also, I will be posting more videos in the future, and here are some of the analytics that you can actually have a look at. Okay, so now let's moving on to the next, the topics, and what all topics should I actually make video on in the future. That actually depends on you and on what I feel that might help most of you. So I will just create the polls where you can actually select what topic is at a higher priority, and hence we can actually post videos on those topics first, and I hope that will help you. Also, you are free to send me any suggestions or any doubts that you have. I will just look up to them. So for the future topics, before that, let's just enable my face cam, and so here we go. Hello guys. Let's talk about the future topics. So I personally think that because this channel has a great amount of growth, and so I think that there are still some topics that are left uncovered, like different softwares, then different mathematical concepts and other engineering concepts. Also, there is a lot to explore, and you will be updated soon in the community tab. And also, because I have secured a all India rank of 243 in chemical engineering, that's in the GATE exam. The GATE exam is an exam held in India for the engineers, and hopefully I can guide most of you how to go about that, especially Indians. And I hope more videos will come on that too also. So just stay tuned, and I hope we will actually cover most of the topics that are left uncovered, like softwares, then different chemical engineering stuff, then engineering stuff, and also various mathematics stuff, and a lot more. There is a lot more to come. So just stay tuned, and also check the community tab, because we are just going to have a poll so that you can actually give your suggestions there on what topic you want. Thank you guys, thank you again for 1000 subscribers. It's been a great journey, and it's only possible because of you guys. So thanks a lot guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.